Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful viewers. Today I'm making very delicious breakfast sandwich and let's get started. So first we need 4 slices of bread, 4 eggs. Here I'm taking it half cup of mozzarella cheese. You can take cheddar cheese as well, but I like mozzarella cheese. I have a shimla mirch, or you can say bell pepper, and I have some tomatoes, which is I have a small 1 tomato, and here I have 2 green chilies. I'm using some masalas here, spices, which is 1/4 salt. You can use the salt up to your taste. I have half teaspoon white pepper, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, and half teaspoon black pepper. So first I'm gonna add my 4 eggs. Your yummy breakfast sandwich is ready. It's so delicious. Your kids, your whole family will love this sandwich. Okay guys, I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe. Take care and Allah Hafiz.